Okay, guys. So now, first of all, you have to open your Bluetooth. Once you open the Bluetooth, then you have to open your case. So this is your case. Just open it. And when you open it, your case, as you can see, your Bluetooth showing you the Bluetooth or the connectivity. So now pop-up appears Redmi Bud 5 Pro. Just click on the connect directly, or if you want to download the official application, you can also download the official applications. It's up to you. So I'm going to download the official applications from the Play Store. So you can see this is the official applications. So now I'm saying Xiaomi Buds, earbuds. Just click on the download button. It's downloading. So wait for a few seconds until we download it and install it. Once you download and install the official applications, okay, now as you can see, it's installing the applications. You have to accept the terms and conditions. So terms and conditions, accept, accept, and agree. As you can see, select your region. You can also update the firmware or noise cancellations. So these are the functionality your application suggesting. So now click on the Bluetooth. Okay. So you have the Buds 5 Pro, as you can see at the top of. Just click on that one. Just click. Sorry. And now you have successfully connected. So as you can see, it's showing you left 100%, right 90%, and the case showing 90%.